Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here with you for another One Simple Trick video. And today I want to talk to you about your trimmer, and perhaps you're getting a fuzzy edge to your cutting. And I know from lots of posts that I see in groups around that people assume their trimmer is bad or the blade is bad, but it could be one of two things. So first off, it's that you're pressing down on the cutting blade versus pushing the cutting blade back and forth. It doesn't need downward pressure to cut. Just push it forward or pull it back with your finger. The second thing that will cause a fuzzy edge is you've been doing lots of cutting, but your blade is still pretty new, and perhaps you haven't checked the track. And I've just finished a lot of cutting today, and let's see, can you see all of that fuzz that I just pulled out of the track simply using a piece of cardstock? And all of that fuzz in your track will cause your edges to be fuzzy on the pieces that you're cutting. So there's my one simple trick. Check your pressure on your blade and then make sure the track in your trimmer is clean. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to receive notifications of future videos, click the bell and you'll see the other things that I post. Have a great day. Bye.